Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show you guys some updates on the little babies, the propagation, how big they're getting. And it's taken a long time for them to get big, so some are quicker than others. I don't know if it's because some are bigger than others, because that was pretty quick, how big that looks. And look at the leaf, it's still pretty thick. So yeah, I want to choose some of these to make a little arrangement and see how it goes. I can give, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in freshly new dirt that I just bought, some cactus potting mix. So I want to see, how that will improve their growth. And I'm going to slowly put them in more direct sunlight since they're a little bit bigger. So here I'm just collecting some of these. I don't know if I'll do it in this arrangement or in a smaller one, because I don't know if I have enough to fill it. So I really wanted it filled. So we got so far. Look at those. Some of these are like clusters. Like, it's crazy how they're just clustered. There's one right here that I picked up earlier that I liked. It's just a, oh wait, careful, a big old cluster. See that? So it'd be a little interesting arrangement. Don't know what else to choose from here. I was thinking about also using this one, but this one's way bigger than the other ones that I'm using. And look, the leaf is still on there. Look at how big those are, and the leaf is still attached to that. So it's pretty big. Slowly I have to try to get these to go into the more sunlight, because they're growing elongated and they're really supposed to be compact. But I have to do that slowly if I don't want them to burn. Here's another one, see? I'm gonna go ahead and remove this one as gentle as possible. It's a pretty big one right here. It's the biggest one of all right there. Let's see what else do I have around here. This is a tall one. These are new that I just plopped on here. I like this one. I need to water these. And I like this one. I wanted this one, but this one suffered. It looks like a burn there. So yeah. See how elongated these are? And they're not supposed to be like that? Yep. Those are pretty long. So I need to find a way to make sure they're getting enough light so that they don't get like that. Now this is a good example of one that's really long. I should be able to move her to more light. I'm going to put her here and just see what happens. Even though today's a cloudy day. This prince received water today, and it shouldn't have, because I watered it 2 days ago. I replanted him per whatever, replanted it into this one because he was getting too big for this pot where he was sharing with this one. So now that one has its own pot and this one has its own pot. And it's looking so good. I'm so happy. So yeah. Hopefully he doesn't suffer any damage from the rain, from being overwatered. Okay, so this is what I got so far, and let's see what I can come up with. Hey guys, so here are the little baby succulents. I put them in this little arrangement, and I'm gonna slowly introduce them to stronger light to see what happens to them, to make sure they grow compact. So this is what it turned out like. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much.